Chidima.
You better leave me alone. Let me join my people.
See, Chidima, behind this girl, you better open this door. What's your problem now? Death is not what they use in playing, you know.
Chidima, open the door now. Stop what you're doing. Don't hurt yourself.
Betty said in the book of Betty, women don't cry. Cry for me.
What nonsense is she talking about? What's she talking about?
Chidima! Let's break this door. Let's break the door.
See. Chidima, open this door or we'll bundle you to mad people's home. Because it's not just this girl, this girl is mad.
I'm not afraid of you.
Stop talking to her like that. Stop talking to her like that.
And then let her open the door now. You should not be behaving like a mad person.
Chidima, oh yeah, sorry, open the door. Don't hurt yourself, please.
I wish to go back home at this point in time. I really wish I could go back.
It would have been better if you have fully recovered before going.
Well, I know that I am a lot better. I feel strong. I feel I'm strong enough to go. Besides, I've been here for months. I don't know the state of my mom. I don't know what she's going through. I just really want her to know that I'm alive and I'm okay.
Why don't we send for her to come here instead of going to that village? The person that did this to you might want to strike again, seeing that you survived the poison.
Like I said, I know better now. I know a lot more about trust and trusting people. This has taught me a lesson. Now I know that to eat with the devil, I need a very long spoon.
Oh, yeah, you are correct. In that case, I will make preparations for you to go.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Too much. She should be thanking her gods for quick intervention of that Paman Tapa. Okay? I'll come tomorrow. When I come, by the time I'll come, the pencil on her neck will
go down.
Yes.
Thank you.
Madam, excuse me. Madam. Sorry. Excuse me. I'm just worried. Please tell me she's going to be fine.
She will be fine.
Or are you hiding something? Maybe you don't want to say it in her presence.
No. She will be fine. Everything will be normal. Okay? Just calm your mind down. Okay?
I'm just worried because since her friend died, she has been acting very funny. And I don't want her to go harming herself.
God forbid. She will not kill herself. Just put your eyes on her. eh? And go closer to her so that she won't harm herself.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah?
No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you. Chidinma, where are you going? Why are you standing up?
What were you discussing with that woman?
Oh, you mean the herbal doctor? We were talking about you.
You're talking about me.
Yes, your welfare.
Rina, why are you always like this? Because Adeze is dead, you want to divert the love to another person. Must you always cheat on me?
Chidinma, what are you talking about? I've just explained to you what the woman and I discussed. We talked about you, how you're going to get well.
Maybe you think I'm a child. Or you probably think I'm blind. Think I didn't notice the way you were admiring her breast. I saw everything. I was here seeing you. In action.
Chidinma!
Why?
Chidinma!
Please don't call my name like that. I don't like cheats. You cannot be cheating on me every time or looking for every opportunity to cheat on me and expect me to be happy.
Hi. Chidinma, I know what your problem is. You have allowed the death of your friend Adeze take over your emotions.
Obinna, see, I don't want anybody to snatch my man all in the name of curing or treating me. I don't want that woman to cheat me again. I don't want treatment again. Biko. Yes.
So if she leaves, who will take care of you?
Don't we have male doctors?
How do you intend to get well?
Don't we have male doctors? I don't want any female doctor again. Ozugo, ye mother wo ihe onye ozo. Ozugo zien. Biko. Ordinary treatment.
Chidinma, how many times did I call you? You have allowed the death of Adeze affect your brain. Chidinma, may God forgive you. Please come and lie down. Let me rest this now over there. So you asked her to leave.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Where could she have gone to?
I don't know. I guess we have to go and come back during the day. By that time, she must have returned from wherever she went to.
Oh, do you think my mother must have gone back to the States, forgetting about me?
Like I said, we'll come back tomorrow during the day. Please, let's go.
No, wait a minute. Do you think my mother moved on? Do you think she has totally left me behind, like forgotten about me and has gone back?
Adeze nwa marama biko latawa bia fichapu nne anya mmiri ejugo m anya bia fichapu m ya Adeze ofu mkpụrụ anya ji isi ụgwọ Adeze
Obim, why are you doing your face like that now? Don't tell me you're angry because I drove that woman away. I don't want to start suspecting you. See, let me tell you the truth. I will not be alive and allow another woman take you away from me.
Maybe I need to remind you that I'm not yet married to you. What now happens if I get married to you?
In fact, don't marry me again. I'm no longer interested. After all, my best friend for life Adeze died without getting married. Even if I get married, my mother will not be there to come out as bride of the day, mother of the bride. I don't have father of the bride. In fact, I don't love you again. Go.
Chidinma, please, you're not feeling well. Kindly go in there and get some rest. Biko.
Rest in peace, Okuyano. I should go and rest in peace. Please, I'm not going anywhere. You have to stay with me.
I have to stay with you? Yes. Okay, then let me take you inside then.
Take me inside and do what? Take me inside and do what? Suffer with me forever till I die, Okuya?
Chidinma, what side? What do you really want? Eh?
Love, Adeze. You're not nice.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to give Chidinma some food.
Oh. How's she doing?
Ozinak, I'm tired. Do you know she chased Ezenwanyị out of her house? Someone that takes care of her.
Why would she do such?
She said she has been looking at me sexually, that she's seducing me, that she wants to sleep with me.
How?
Ha! She said she doesn't want her anymore, that she should go.
So how will she get well then?
Ha! Do you know what she said? That she go and look for a male doctor. A male doctor who will not look at me sexually. A male doctor who will not sleep with me.
No. You have suffered for love, though. Honestly, you've suffered for love so much. You see, you have to do something. I mean, you really need to do something fast before you die for love.
I'm tired. I'm confused.
You need to go and get her a male doctor like she requested.
Please, can you follow me there so I can give her this food before it gets cold?
Follow where?
Huh?
Maybe later I will meet you there. I'm going to somewhere. I just said I should check on you before we go. You can go.
Ozinak, follow me there now. Huh?
How did it go? Oh. Okay. So, where's my mom? Did you see her? Where is she? Why didn't she come with you?
Yes, I saw her and she sends regards.
She sends her regards.
Yes.
To me. Like, you told my mom that I'm here and she sends her regards. I don't understand it. Are you sure you saw her?
Your mom is busy preparing for your going back to the US.
I'm sorry, but this is not making sense to me. My mom is busy preparing for us to go back to the US. I mean, for all these months, I've been missing without my mom knowing my whereabouts. And then she saw you and you told her that I'm alive somewhere and she didn't rush down with you. But she's making preparations for the US. Please. Tell me. Where is my mother? What has happened to my mother? Did anything go wrong? Is she okay? Did you even see her?
Adeze, there is nothing bigger for the ear to hear or even the eyes to see. You know, in this world, sometimes
Please, just hold it. Hold it, okay? And do not patronize me. Where is my mother?
So, she'll be fine. Take this. Give it to her morning and night. It's a bit bitter, but it will help in healing the pain faster.
Okay.
Why now?
What?
Why is it bitter? Why can't you give me sweet one?
Chidima.
What is it?
Chidima, what is it now?
Is there anything wrong with telling him to give me sweet something?
Please, ignore her.
What should I do?
He should ignore me because I'm requesting for sweet medicine. See, I don't know if he really knows this job or mom come me Jimmy rehearsal. Because if you know this job, you know I'm a woman, you're supposed to give me sweet medicine. Good herbal doctors, that is what they do. Not telling him that he's bitter, I should drink it small.
My dear, I've been into this business for the past 20 years, so I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, okay, only have a problem. That is my problem. Business you've been doing since 20 years now, you can't even, you don't own Benz, nothing. It shows you're not doing well in the business. You need to go and do more training. See, tell him now, I cannot take bitter one, be cool now.
Chidima, what is wrong with you now? Can you stay put? Let this man do his job. What's wrong with you? Or are you going to blame this on your dead friend? Are you going to say she's the one making you act like this? Oga, please, I'm sorry. Continue your work.
That's an insult. But I want to let you know, I cure pains and injuries. I don't care madness.
Bye. Give him the bitter medicine now. Bring somebody else who will give me sweet food.
You know he indirectly called you a mad person. Do you know that?
there is no place for the wicked in this world. Yeah.
What about my friend Chidima? Did you see her? What about the Igwe?
Adeze, I will advise you forget about them and move on with your life. Please.
I think it's time for me to go. I think I have to go. I have to go now. It is time. I still have important people in my life. Chidima is my friend. The ego is my mother's elder brother. Let me just go.
I could not see the Igwe because I was in a haste to go. But I promise you, when next I visit, I must discuss your problem. The Igwe, please, put yourself together.
Obi, for 2 days now, you haven't asked of me or even checked on me. Why? Get home. Are you waiting to hear the sad news that I'm dead before you come check on me? Eh?
Are you done? Chidima, are you done talking? Okay. For your information, I left you. Yes. I left you. I am no longer interested in you. I am no longer interested in your problems. I have to go and find someone who is going to take life seriously. Someone who wants to live and not die. Someone who wouldn't commit suicide. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And for your information, don't think you're going to be a hero if you die because of your friend. Nobody's going to call you a true friend if you die because of your friend. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't warn you, Chidinma. Odinaka, I left Chidinma some days ago, thinking she would miss me and come back to her senses. But look at the result of my actions. I actually told her I would leave her for another woman, because I want a woman who would stay alive for me. But I didn't mean it. I didn't know it was going to get to this point.
Well, you have to mean it though, because that will be the best thing that will happen to you now. It's needless. Drowning with a sinking ship. You've seen it. That's one of the things she has been taking. Guy, you're in deep trouble.
Chidinma, I came to see you. This one it's an emergency.
What is it? Say what you have to say. I don't have time for all these things, please. As you can see, I'm busy.
Obinna said I should call you.
He's mad. Tell him if he wants to see me, he should come here and see me. Because I don't have time. I don't have time. Please go.
I should do what?
You heard me.
You said I should tell Obinna again. Chidinma!
Chidinma! Chidinma!
Obinna, what is it? What is it? Leave me alone, okay?
Chidinma, where are you going?
I'm going somewhere.
Chidinma, what about your shop? What about us? What about your life?
My shop, my life, this relationship died the day Adeze died.
Hi. Chidinma, stop acting like a mad person now. You're not a mad person.
Since you know I'm mad, why are you following a mad person up and down? Get it home.
Chidinma, I know. Wait now. I know you're not mad. But please don't go. I thought we were supposed to get married. Yes.
But you told me you're no longer interested, that you want to end the relationship. is wrong with you? What is it now? Okay, what is wrong with you?
My stomach. So you want to leave the love of your life? Huh?
I love you too, but I have to go.
So you want to leave someone that's not feeling well? You want me to die? Huh?
Do I look like a doctor? Do I look like a doctor?
Are you not supposed to... Chidinma!
Please leave me alone.
Chidinma! Chidinma!
Why is she running away? That's Chidima. That's Chidima, my best friend, my sister.
Adeze, don't worry, let's go. Come, let's go.
Ghost?
Since we're done with our discussions, and we want to go inside and have some rest.
Igwe, thank you so much. You have even tried staying up to this moment in this. We couldn't know that you would make it up to this time.
Please, my fellow elders, has anybody seen our prophet of doom recently? Apuisi, whether he has seen any calamity coming to our community?
Why are you so much interested in that drunk? Huh? Please forget about, let's talk about the other things.
No. Akwisi might be talking like a drunk, but he tells the truth and foretells the future. And we all know that his refusal to be the village chief priest turned him to become a drunk.
Yes. Even at that, he wouldn't have done it better than our present chief priest, a digital chief priest.
You never can tell.
Oh no, what are you talking about? Yeah? No, let Akwisi go into that shrine smelling heavily of alcohol as he usually does. And Ajali will strike him with thunder. Look, don't play with Ajali. And don't even go there.
Igwe, you can retire to your chambers and have your rest while we go home.
And for your information, no one will be struck with thunder here.
Anyone that reads that about God and enter the shrine is
I saw her. Huh? I saw her. Yes.
You saw who?
I saw Adeze's ghost. I saw Adeze's ghost. Oh.
You saw who?
Adeze's ghost with one strange man. I'm even surprised because I don't know why she's pursuing me.
Ghost?
Yes.
Where?
On the road. Hi.
Adeze's ghost?
Yes.
Calm down, calm down. You didn't see any ghost.
Don't I know Adeze? If I see a ghost, won't I recognize a ghost? Was she not my best friend before she died? I know what I saw. Hey, God, oh. See, you need to go and lock that gate, please. I'm so scared.
Where's your bag?
I wouldn't know where my bag is. Hey.
Chidinma, There's no ghost anywhere.
Maybe she's missing me. She just decided to come and show me herself.
Chidinma, there's no ghost anywhere. Adeze is dead.
There is.
Dead people don't come back to life.
Lock the gate.
Chidinma, there's no ghost. Come inside. Come inside. There's no. You didn't see any ghost.
I know what I saw.
Okay, where is the ghost now? I can't see anybody.
Maybe they took another.
Let's
route.
go. You didn't see any ghost. Let's go inside.
I saw her.
Ghost. Ah. Chidinma, how can you say somebody that's been...
Mama. Mama. Mama.
ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne m, kunite bịa eze m oke inugo. Bịa makụ ọmụ, adaeze natago. Ezigbo nne m, ezigbo nne m, ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne m, kunite bịa eze m oke inugo. Bịa makụ ọmụ, adaeze natago. Ntụrụ ime mụta nwa n'elu ụwa nne m, onye ga-asịrị m nwa ruo. Mama, ọ bụ onye ga-abịara m ọmụgwọ? Mama, ọ bụ onye ga-emere m ka nne m Chukwu? Ezigbo nne m pụtaba, pụtaba, pụtaba. Ezigbo mama m, bịa n'ala m achọ gị. Ezigbo nne m, ezigbo nne m, ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne m, kunite bịa eze m oke inugo. Bịa makụ ọmụ, adaeze natago. Ezigbo nne m, ezigbo nne m, ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne m, kunite bịa eze m oke inugo. Bịa makụ ọmụ, adaeze natago.
I know who I saw. I know who I saw. I'm surprised she's not at home.
Wait. Chidima, wait. I'm confused.
I'm confused too.
Igwe, please. Did you see her at Daisy?
Daisy. No, what are you talking about?
Chidima said she saw.
I saw her ghost, Igwe. I saw her at Daisy's
Stop
ghost.
saying that Adeze is dead. You didn't see Adeze. You saw someone else.
No, that was Adeze. I know who I saw.
Igwe, I'm really sorry. I think she's hallucinating.
Igwe, I'm sorry. Igwe, I'm sorry. Let's go.
Ezigbo nne mama, ezigbo nne m, kunite bịa eze m oke inugo. Bịa makụ ọmụ, adaeze natago.
Did Ibuaku actually invited you to her house that day?
She did. She actually invited me. I was in the house that morning when Apuisi came to me and said that she's inviting me for a peace talk. And so I went.
My daughter,
Mama,
I don't know what transpired between you and Chidema. I begged her to stay so that we can both receive you. But she insisted on going to the shop to open her, she runs a salon, before coming home to join us. Eh?
Mama, in that case, we'll have to wait for her. I have time. Yes, let's wait.
Oh, Makana, and let me get you something to eat while we wait for her.
Mama, that won't be necessary. I'm actually full up. I ate before coming. I'm okay.
No, now, at least a spoon to show that our peace talk today will be successful.
Mama, it doesn't matter. Really, I'm okay. There's no need wasting your food.
You're rejecting my food.
Oh,
shows you're still angry.
Okay, since you insist, let me have water.
No problem. Let me bring some biscuits as well. Oh?
No problem.
Hey.
You're my guest now.
Mama, I am not a guest. This is my home too. Mama, this is what you're treating me like a baby. When you are. Thank you, Mama. Enjoy.
Akwisi said the same thing. He said Ubuako asked him to call you. But because of his drunken nature, nobody took him seriously.
The last thing I remembered was me walking on the road, coming from our house and struggling so hard to walk. And afterwards, I didn't remember anything else until I woke up in this uncle's house.
Yes, Your Highness. It was terrible on that day. Look at me carrying her on my shoulder from where I found her to the healer. Seeing her lying down beside the road, clutching on her stomach, tells me she's in a great danger.
Thank you so much, my dear. God will bless you in 1,000-fold.
Amen, Your Highness.
Blessings shall locate you, because on that fateful day, you were like our God. And as you have made attempt to save someone else's life, so shall your life be protected and be saved at every point danger comes close to you.
Amen. Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you so much.
The two beautiful lovers. The two beautiful lovers. Which mood are you?
Come, what is your name? Are you deaf? Leave here before I kick you out.
Oh, please don't relax me.
Thank you. Thank you, Adadema. That is why I talk about you. You are the only beautiful girl, the girl that knows my heart in this village after Adeze have. Oh. Adeze have just died.
Did you say Adeze?
Yes. Now let me tell you. We have second Jesus. The other one died and resurrected after 3 days. While the second one died and resurrected after some months. Yes.
What is this man talking about?
I'm not busy.
Yes. Now let me tell you. If you don't understand me very well. Now, our people say that whenever you are being chased away from your father's house, you have any other place than to run to your maternal home.
Please, let's leave here.
Jesus died and resurrected and ran to the heaven. Why Adeze died and resurrected and ran to her maternal home?
Adeze.
And 2 of them are resurrection.
I can't even take him serious. Let's go.
Yes. Adeze have run to her maternal home. That is only where she resurrected up. And that is the resurrection. Bam. That is why I'm telling you now. Ah! Able to do that.
I've filled my stomach with balanced dishes. Thank you.
Sit down. You did the most. I appreciate it. If only the mother was alive to see this. Well, wherever she is right now, I know she's seeing all this. Once again, I thank you.
You're welcome, Your Highness. And Your Highness, you know I still have a far distance to go to my village. And I wouldn't want night to befall me on my way.
You still want to go at this time?
Yes, Your Highness.
Why don't you just stay till tomorrow and leave in the morning?
Adele, don't worry. When next I visit, I promise I will sleep.
Well, if you insist. But remember to always visit us from time to time.
Your Highness, I will.
Thank you for you.
Thank you.
Daisy, go inside and have your rest. You're not seeing anyone today.
Chidima, I not believe you. You actually saw a ghost.
Yes, I didn't know ghosts still exist. I was surprised when I saw Adeze.
Hi.
And I saw her with one man. Oh, I'm sure that man doesn't know she's dead.
Where did you throw your bag? You said you left your bag somewhere.
I don't know. Immediately I saw her, I left my bag and ran for my life. My question is, why would she even come for me? Why?
Chidima, I used to hear a story. They said ghosts exist. And sometimes they appear to their loved ones when they miss them so much. So it is possible Adeze appeared to you because she knows how sorrowful you have been. And she also knows that you miss her so much.
Hey!
Huh?
I've never had this kind of experience since. Eh? Hey. Never.
They came here looking for you.
And why didn't they see me? Where are they? Why did they leave?
I actually wanted you to have enough rest before you start seeing visitors because they will always want to come around to be sure you are alive.
I'm alive. I'm alive to the glory of God.
Yeah.
But I really miss my friend. I miss her a lot. I would really want to see her.
You can see her at your own will. Anytime you want to see her. Are you still going to your father's house to take your things?
Uncle, I'll do that now. I was going to ask you if you can let one of the maids come with me so they can help me move my things.
And regards too.
Oh, thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you. In that case, I'll just go now.
Yeah. The driver will take you there.
Please, I don't have any business with you.
It's me, your friend, Adeze. Why are you running?
You're dead! No, what do you want from me?
I am not dead. Okay? It's me, I'm alive. This is me, flesh and blood. Serious.
Cause destiny, child, is always destined. No matter the plans of enemies. And I say, enjoy your life. I'm
the only man that know how to fall in love every time and any day. Abaino, I can see you're just smiling from the other side of your mouth to the end. In fact, you're a smiler. Yes, everybody is happy because Adeze is back. She has resurrected from death. Everybody is happy now. Now that she's back, our New Year festival is gone. Yes, it's because of Adeze. They did not attend the New Year festival again. So I'm not happy. I am not happy because that festival is the only thing that makes me happy. Why? On one condition, because in that festival, there will be a lot of drinks. Equal, size by size. Huh?
Is this why you stopped me? Is this why you stopped me?
Obinna, am I not making sense? Okay, now let me tell you. Obinna, wait, let me tell you. Hold Chidinma very well. Chidinma loves you so much. And hold her. Because if you don't do it, Obinna, I don't have strength again to call anybody or to console anybody because myself, I don't even know who console me when the time comes. So hold Chidinma very well. That is the only thing I have to tell you. Chidinma loves you and try to hold her. Everybody are dying for Chidinma and you are there thinking that she is only loving you. Try to hold her very well. I'm only telling you because when the time comes that they will say, we see, you don't say anything. I see, I talk, that is my problem. Obinna, don't say I don't want you. I'm telling you now. Let the whole world hear my voice. Because Chidinma,
It's okay, please don't run. My daughter, please. I came to apologize for all my wrongdoings. I am so sorry. Please find it in your heart to forgive me for everything I have done to you. Don't against that Adeze and not the best. I was misled by the devil. I allowed the devil to work evil through me. Please find it in your place to forgive me. I was pushed because I was carried away with my desperation. I am sorry. You know me. I was never a bad person. I'll always be your mother.